Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell any items that you want to get gold coins in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to sell something, you need to find Albert GR NPC. This one, you can open your maps to get to know where she is. Okay, and you need to track her. Okay, and she's nearby the lake. We need to find her to sell something. And she's moving, guys. She can be anywhere. So we just need to follow the guidance like this to find Albert GR. Okay, she's here and you need to talk to her. Oops. And you can click on the sell items and you can select the items that you want to sell. For example, I'm going to sell this butterfly. Okay, click on the sell and you will get gold coins. Okay guys, and that's how you can sell any items that you want to get gold coins. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.